classroom. This is Teacher Lorie. How are you today? For today's letter friend, we will learn together letter Q. Say letter Q. I don't have my big box today, but can you help me name the picture that starts with letter Q? Let's begin. Say question mark. Question mark. This one? Quail. Quail. Here's next. Quilt. Quilt. This one? Quack quack. Quack quack. Next. Queen. Queen. This is the uppercase Q. Say uppercase Q. This is the lowercase q. Say lowercase q. This is the uppercase Q. And this is the lowercase q. This is how we write the uppercase Q. And a small tail. Uppercase Q. This is how we write the lowercase q. Standing line. And a curve this way. Say uppercase Q and lowercase q. Do you know that letter Q has sound? Letter Q says qua. Letter Q says qua. Okay, chant with us. I say question, you say
Question.
I say Q, you say
Q.
I say qua, you say
Qua.
okay, ready? Your turn, kids. I say quail, you say I say Q, you say I say qua, you say I say quilt, you say I say Q, you say I say qua, you say and I say quack, you say I say Q, you say I say quack, you say I say queen, you say I say quack, you say I say Q, you say I say quail, you say I say Q, you say I say qua, you say yay! For our letter Q, I will make queen. You need crown, yarn for queen's hair, and watch Teacher Lorie. Ta-da! Q for queen. For our letter Q craft idea, you need these materials. A cotton cloth like this. You can cut an old t-shirt. Put this in a cardboard like this to hold this cloth. You need paint, paintbrush, and masking tape. Let's start.